My name is Mahesh Sardesai. I'm product expert from S4HANA Regional Implementation Group. In this part 1 video, I'll be covering S4HANA installation, download media using Maintenance Planner. There's a part 2 blog that covers installation of HANA DB and SAP application. Part 3 blog covers best practices content activation. The documents needed for the entire installations are attached in this mobile link, which is mentioned in various places in the blog. It contains documents, transports, and script files. Both part 1 and part 3 blogs, there is a clock which shows the timing as you do the steps. Here is a 1-minute preview of the video. You can confirm the parameters. After we click on next, it takes 6 hours to complete the installation process, or less depending on your hardware. Finished entering the parameter summary at 12 noon. The process is shown here in fast forward. The clock starts at 12. So after 15 minutes, it reaches unpack SAR archive status. After 30 minutes, it's setting up database connection info. At 3 p.m., the phase to run RUT DDLS create is running for a while till 5 p.m. And the last step is integrated live cache is installed. So now at this point, Sapiens is completed and we can check the components installed. So for this, you log into the SAP system, click on package level. That finishes our preview. Here is part 1 blog on the left hand side. Click on the link for maintenance planner. Click on the Fiori tile plan for S4HANA. Now in this screen, we get a link for downloading the installation guides. This takes you to the page where we have all the guides for on-prem as well as cloud edition. Click on the link for 1610. Now here we have the installation guide. You can click on the link here. This gives you a PDF file. Now further down there is an administration guide. When you click here, the guide is available more in a browsing format for online browsing, but we can create a PDF file for that guide by clicking on the link download as PDF. So you can use this PDF for offline, referring offline to the process. So we click on next here. You can enter the SID, select the target version, which is 1610, and it's the initial shipment, which is FPS 00. Click on next. So on this screen, we are going to select core deployed since we are going to install embedded Fiori. These are the Fiori components. You can either select or unselect depending on what you need, but we're going to select all of them. So click on next. So here we continue planning with the maintenance planner. Shows you list of software for the target system. Click on next. So here we select the operating system, which is Linux x86 64. Confirm our selection. Click on next. Now this screen shows all the files that have been selected and are necessary to be uploaded to the server. So these are all the SAR files that we'll have to put into a download directory. Click on the download stack XML. So that's download it to your desktop, the text file, download the PDF, which has a summary of the selection. Click on export to Excel and then generate side effects. Next step is to push to download basket. Make sure your download basket is clean for convenience purpose. Otherwise, you might have a mix of some old um, files as well as this one. This is the PDF file which shows our target version. So we're going to close the maintenance planner transaction. The last screen shows the PDF file which has a summary of what our target version will be. So we can save this. Now if you open the PDF file, there is a link in the PDF file which is going to come up now. So when you click this link, we need the additional media, which is the base media for installation of S/4HANA 1610. So I'm going to click on that link, and this takes me straight away to the service marketplace where we have this media. So click on installation and then check mark all the items that we need. So we need the HANA client language language media as well as export. It's optional to select maintenance optimizer, and you need the kernel. So click on the button for adding to download basket, and here we have 12 items added. The next item we are going to pick is the spam saint. So I'm going to take a shortcut here, just quickly go through the search process. So we go on the spam update. So our version is 751. So we can select support packages, pick the latest one that is available. If it's later than 6.3, then pick that one. So add it to download basket. Next, we are going to select the database components. So for that, we go back. Next, we'll go to the main screen of Software Download Center of the Service Marketplace. So here, going to select support packages. Select HANA for H for HANA. So you scroll down, pick SAP HANA Platform Edition. Select Platform Edition and HANA Database. So we're going to pick 122.4 patch level 4, SPS 12 patch level 4. Add it to download basket. Make sure you're selected for x86 64, the correct platform. In this screen, we are going to select the LC apps, which is needed for the live cache. So click on this button to pick the right version, which is meant for 122 patch level 4. So add it to the download basket. And now this is our download manager showing all the files. So we can click on the button for downloading all the files, and they will be downloaded. Thank you. Hope you have enjoyed the presentation.